been ignored, silenced, abused, shunned, invisible, taken advantage of, among other things. My presence is here to begin unbinding that which was covered or hidden, uncovering, unveiling the understanding of the divine feminine or mother essence. Since my complete rebirth, nearly 4 years ago, there have only been a couple of men as awake in spirit as am I, and almost immediately they recognized me as quote-unquote mother. I hope you'll join me as I unlock and uncover the mysteries of the Divine Mother, which is needed more than ever now in order for healing and the balance to be restored in our world and peace to return. Let us rise hand in hand, because we are all part of the same family. Oh my goodness. If we understood our divine capacity and power, if we were able every one of us, to align perfectly with I am, the I am, which is being one with our divine potential, one with God, who only wants for us to tap into that divine potential and to shake off all